5 simple exercises to lose weight. Are you looking for simple exercises to lose weight fast? Maybe you are new to working out or just need something easy, light and stress-free. You don't need intense workout sessions or an expert trainer to get in shape and burn fat fast. All you need is a little persistence and willingness to sweat it out a few times a week. Hey everybody, welcome to this Ucare Fitness Channel. Today, we're going to go over the amazing 5 simple exercises to lose weight. Make sure to watch this video, because it's one of the most amazing tips I've ever seen. So now, there are many benefits of doing simple exercises to lose weight fast. Regular exercise improves your cardiovascular health, strength, balance, coordination and flexibility. It helps to reduce stress, depression and anxiety while also increasing your self-esteem and confidence. A regular exercise routine can also help with weight loss by burning calories faster than usual workouts such as jogging or running on the treadmill can do. Here are some tips for incorporating simple exercises into your daily routine. Jump rope. Jump rope is an easy way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. It may seem like a child's exercise, but studies show that jump rope burns about as many calories as running does. Plus, jump rope is a whole body exercise, meaning it uses your arms, legs, and core muscles. This means you can get a better, more efficient calorie burn with jump rope than with many other exercises that only work certain parts of your body. You can jump rope outside or buy an inexpensive jump rope and do it in your living room. There are many variations of jump rope exercises you can try. You can do a single or double jump, where you either jump once or twice in between each jump, or shuffle, where you jump back and forth between your feet. Stair climbing. Stair climbing is a simple exercise that burns a lot of calories, improves your cardiovascular health, and builds your leg muscles. You can stair climb indoors or outdoors. If you choose to stair climb outdoors, look for a set of stairs with a sturdy handrail and where you are allowed to climb. If you choose to stair climb outdoors, look for a set of stairs with a sturdy handrail and where you are allowed to climb. To increase the intensity, try climbing faster, climbing stairs with weights in your hands, climbing a longer flight of stairs, or adding a continuous sprint climb at the end. Body weight squats. Squats are a great exercise for toning your legs, especially your glute muscles, which are important for helping you maintain good posture. Squats are also a full body compound exercise that activates many other muscles, including your core. Squats can be done almost anywhere, either with your body weight or by holding a dumbbell or weight plate in each hand. Whether you use weights or not, it's important to use proper form when doing squats to avoid injury. The best way to do this is to stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, then squat down by bending at your knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Body weight lunges. Lunges are similar to squats, but they work your legs and butt muscles from a different angle. Lunges are great for toning your legs and boosting your metabolism, too. Lunges can be done with or without weights, and you can do them anywhere. You can stand in front of a wall or an open door frame to help you keep your balance if you're new to lunges. To do the exercise, stand with your feet about a foot or two apart, then step forward with one leg and bend both knees until your back knee almost touches the floor. Then step back to the starting position with your other foot and repeat on the other side. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most common and effective exercises for both men and women. They target not only your arms, but also your chest, shoulders, and core muscles. Plus, You don't need any equipment to do them, so you can do them pretty much anywhere. You can start with a standard push-up, which works your whole body while challenging your core, or a modified push-up, which works your upper body. Typical push-up variations include diamond push-ups, which work your core muscles, and clapping push-ups, which build more arm strength. So, the best way to lose weight and get healthier is to incorporate simple exercises into your daily routine. You don't need to go to the gym or hire a trainer to get in shape. A few easy exercises can help you burn more calories and build lean muscle. These easy exercises don't require any special training or equipment. You can do them at home, at the office, or wherever is most convenient for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of any tips for fitness and much more. Check my other videos and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.